If you've been wondering how to quickly add money to your Cash app, this video will walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can start sending or spending in minutes. Whether you're new to Cash App or just need a refresher, stick with me until the end. I'll make sure you avoid common mistakes that cost people extra fees. First, before adding money, make sure you have a bank account or debit card linked to your Cash app. If you don't, go to your profile in the top right corner of the home screen, scroll to linked banks, and connect your account. You can use a credit card, but keep in mind there's usually about a 3% fee, so I recommend sticking to a debit card or bank account for free transfers. Once your bank is linked, return to the home screen and look for your balance at the bottom left corner. And it might just look like a bank icon if your balance is empty. Tap on it. On the next page, select Add Money. You'll see some suggested amounts, or you can type in a custom amount if you want something specific. When you're ready, tap Add to confirm. If you have Face ID or a passcode set up, Cash App will ask you to verify, and that's it. The money is added instantly, no waiting, no review screen. You can now send payments, use your Cash card, or just keep it in your balance for later. The key takeaway here is that adding money to Cash App is fast and seamless. Just make sure your account is linked beforehand and watch out for fees if you're using a credit card. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and check the description for more tutorials, including how to link your bank if you haven't done that yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.